Kapihan. This is not a paid advert. Yeah, we're just here to support our fellow comrades. Kumusta means time. How are you? Ay. Hindi naman nag-activate ang uric acid mo yan. Hindi ba na ano yung uric acid mo? Lola's banana pudding. May ensaymada, may pandesal na traditional. Ayun. Oh. This is what we call tapsilog. Rice and tomatoes and atsara. Anong pangalan mo? Shell. Shell ang nag-serve sa amin ngayon. Kaya babalik-balikan natin si Shell.